Hi learners, welcome to our another new lesson. Hope you all are enjoying my videos and finding them helpful. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 metals. And here we go. Number 1. Gold. G O L D. Gold. Number 2. Silver. S I L V E R. Silver. Number 3. Copper. C O P P E R. Copper. Number 4. Bronze. B R O N Z E. Bronze. Number 5. Zinc. Z I N C. Zinc. Number 6. Aluminium. A L U M I N I U M. Aluminium. Number 7. Iron. I R O N. Iron. Number 8. Cobalt. C O B A L T. Cobalt. Number 9. Nickel. N I C K E L. Nickel. Number 10. Calcium. C A L C I U M. Calcium. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like my videos and share with others. Now, enjoy your day and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.